name says that.
The A says,
Yeah.
the B says, the C says, and the D says, the E says, the F says, the G says, and the H says, the I says, and the J says, and the K says, and the L says, the M says, the N says, the O says, the P says, the Q says, R says, the S says, the T says, the U says, the V says, the W says, X says, the Y says,
Yeah.
and the Z says, and those are all the letters.
No, that's Harvey.
How about your ABCs?
Sing the every letter makes a sound.
How about A, B, C, D, E, F, G?
That's not the right words.
Well, could you sing that song for me?
Every letter makes a sound.
Some letters are made of straight lines. Some are curvy and round.
Every letter makes a sound. The A says A, and the C says K. The B says B B B B. The C says K. And the D says D. And the E says F. And the H says H. And the I says I. And the J says J. And the
K.
says K. And the H says H. And the J says J. And the K says K.
What does the Jillian say? What does Shuki say?
Meow.
What does John Cena say? What does Daddy say? What does Mommy say? What does Jackson say? I love you.
I love you.
Hi, nose.
Hi, nose.
You're too close. Too close. Can you say, do me a wrestling entrance. How does Mr. Kennedy's entrance go?
I don't know.
What about, who's your favorite wrestler?
I don't know.
Do you like wrestling?
No, I'm too little.
You're too little for wrestling?
Every letter makes a sound. The A says A. And the B says B B B B. And the C says K K K K. And the D says D D D. And the E says E E E. And the
F. Too close. Too close. Close.
Can I see that?
Well, I think it's too close.
No, no.
Here, stop. Look where